In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Pac-Man World 2 RE-PAC on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So quickly search up the game Pac-Man World 2 and then select it. After that you will be opening the game page. Then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game on Steam is €29.99. Now what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game Pac-Man World 2. Select the game, after that search for it and then select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done this, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green and then you can select it. Once you have opened the game page, you will find out that we can download this game for €27.55 compared to the Steam price of €29.99. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an activation key for Steam, so you can activate and download this game through Steam on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!